We're assembling and installing Torklift FastGuns. Alright, let's see what's in the box. Instructions, miscellaneous hardware, not much to them. Alright, the fast gun from the bottom, the threaded hook bolt goes in, comes up through the top, square nut. The square nut just fits nicely in the square tubing, and then it holds the nut in place while I screw it in. Here's a flat O-ring. Just trying to work the O-ring onto the thread. Right behind the flat O-ring, we thread a nylon nut. And what that does is that it stops the screw hook from sliding past a certain point at the other end. The bolt inside can't thread out then. So I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so the Teflon bolt is in here. I'm using nail nose pliers to hold the bolt from spinning. And I'm using vice grips to spin the screw hook. There's the O-ring and the Teflon nut, and it just cleared the top of the head of the screw hook. The square nut is inside, and it's held in place by the tubing, and then so as you make the adjustments in or out, longer or shorter, you can't go any further than the Teflon. You can't go any further than that, and that keeps the screw hook from falling out. So there you go, that's as far as she goes. So then we have the square end cap that goes right here once you're done. I'm sure there's a more elegant way of doing that than a round O-ring. Goes at the end there. Done. Now for the second one. Let's see how fast the second one, now that we know what we're doing. Alright. Square nut. Flat washer, rubber washer. Teflon nut. And the end cap. There, end cap in. And O-ring. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna wait till I have gloves. I'll finish this when I set them up on the truck. Okay, let's go fit them up. I'm just gonna move the washer up now that I got gloves. Okay, so now to adjust. So you just screw it in. And that just leaves the lock, and that way the handle can't open. But that is not a secure way of doing it, so we're not going to use that. We're going to use these locks, so nobody could walk away with these, because they are pretty pricey and you wouldn't want to lose them. And there you go. Nobody's taking those. And that's it.
We have some exciting news, guys.
We've been approached by a company who has made a new RV product that they're launching in the next couple of weeks. We've been approached with 4 other channels, and we're going to be doing an installation and review and performance test of this new product. And what's even more exciting is that we're going to be giving one away. Each channel is going to be giving away a unit. So you'll want to hang tight and check in over the next couple of weeks.
We hope you liked this video.
If you did, consider giving it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't done so, consider subscribing by hitting the red button down there. Hit the bell to be notified of our future videos.
And also follow our journey on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
In the meantime, we'll catch you on the next one.